Hey guys, I wish all of you are doing well. Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In this lesson we're going to learn these options. Okay, the first option is position. Where you want your picture to be, in the left side, in the center, or on the right side of the page. Let me make it a little bit smaller so that it could be visible and understandable. Right side, middle, right, left. You can see it in here. And the next option is wrap text, where you can want your picture to be in line with the text, square, tight, through, or top, or at the bottom. I can give you an example, a good example of this through this text. As an example, I want my picture to be in line with the text. So this is in line with the text. As you can see, this is where the text is started, and this is in line with the text. The next part is a square, where you can add your picture in a square shape and it is visible. The text is on the right side of the page. The next option is tight, where you want to be like closer enough and where you want your text to be through your text and on the top of your text, on the behind of your text, in front of the text. This is how you can arrange your photo. This option is move with text. You can move your picture and still you can see that the text are moving with your picture. This is what this option do. Exit position on the page, where you can exit the position if you have any position on it. So I want to be like move with the text, more loud option, and this is how you can set as a default your picture. And you can use wrap text from this side of the page. It also do the same thing with the wrap text option, and it is much easier to use from here. The next option is about bring forward and send back. Let me show you what this option do. As an example, we have our picture in here. I want my picture to be bringing forward. When I click here, it will be bring and forward. And if I click send to background, it will be send to background. And these are the options where you can send to back or send to backward, okay? And this is the selection pane, where you can hide your pictures, show it, or hide it. The next option is align. You can align your pictures from here. If you want to be aligned in center, it will be in center. Align at top, or you can align in the bottom. This is your picture in the bottom, and I want to be in the top. And I want to make this picture with this picture a group. Like when I move this picture should be moving with this picture too. So I select this picture, I press Ctrl, and then I select this picture. As you can see, this option will be activated, which is group. I click here, I press group. Now these two pictures are grouped with each other. I can do a lot of things. The next option is crop, where you can crop your picture from here. When you press on this side, you can see your picture is cropped. This is where you choose height of your picture and width of your picture. So guys, this was another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bit. I hope you like it and enjoy it. In the next episode, we're going to study about the shapes. So don't forget to follow us and don't forget to like and subscribe our page. Bye bye.